How to use a loan for your roofing services. Educatio. When it comes to funding a business, you have several options to consider. There are three options: credit cards, loans, cash out refinances, and home equity lines. All of these options have their advantages and disadvantages. However, you must be sure to follow all terms and conditions of the loan before you apply for it. You should also be aware that a credit card could pose a risk, as you may lose your house if you fail to make the repayments. Home equity loan. Home equity loans are a form of financial product which allows you to use your home as collateral. You can use this type of loan to cover the costs of a large roofing project. However, you must make sure that you have sufficient equity in your home, because banks won't approve you for a loan with a low equity. If your home has experienced a decline in value, you might have difficulty getting a loan to fund it. A home equity loan has another advantage: you are able to get approved for large amounts of money with a lower interest than personal loans. Home equity loans can take up to 4 weeks to complete and could result in your losing your house. Before you apply for a home equity loan to finance your roof services, make sure that you fully understand the pros and cons. These are some things you should consider before applying for one. Refinance with cash out. If you need a roof replacement, cash out refinance for roofing services might be right for you. This type of financing has many benefits and may help you to avoid repaying the loan. There are many ways to get cash for a roof, including a loan from your bank, a crowdfunding site, or even a government grant. If you need a new roof in a hurry, cash out refinance for roofing services may be the solution you're looking for. You can finance your roof with credit cards. They offer 0% APR promotional offers for a limited time. You will need to make the full payment before the interest rate increases. Because credit unions are members-owned cooperatives, they promote thrift and are great for roofing services. In addition, these loans generally have competitive terms and rates. Credit card. If you are planning to use a credit card to pay for your roofing services, you need to think carefully about your repayment plan. The interest rate on a credit card might be higher than that of a personal credit line. In addition, the monthly payment may be too high and may end up putting you in danger of foreclosure. If you have good credit, a personal loan to pay for roofing services might be your best choice. Personal loans can have an interest rate of 5.99% to 0%. It is possible to get a card that offers a low introductory interest rate for 12 months. However, it is important to repay the entire balance prior to the rate becoming effective. Credit unions are membership-owned cooperatives that encourage thrift and offer competitive rates for their loans. Whether you choose a credit card for your roofing services or apply for a small business loan, you should take into account the interest rate before applying for a credit card. 0% APR credit cards. You can use a 0% APR credit line for roofing services to pay the roof repairs without having to dip into your emergency funds. These cards offer several benefits for homeowners, including a high spending limit and a lower interest rate than personal loans. They also offer shorter repayment terms than other finance options, which makes them attractive for homeowners looking to repair their roof quickly. You will need to repay the entire balance within the initial period. 0% APR credit cards for roofing services are ideal for new businesses, which often require large upfront funding to purchase equipment and/or a storefront. With a 0% interest rate, you can use the funds for large purchases like nailers, compressors, safety harness systems, or office furniture. This can quickly add up, particularly for small business owners. For new businesses or people with irregular cash flows, 0% APR credit card are a great option. This credit card is not suitable for international travel. Mortgage 203K. If you need to hire a roofer to improve the roof of your home, a 203K mortgage may be the perfect solution for you. This type of mortgage is designed to help homeowners pay for home repairs. Both existing homeowners as well as home buyers can apply for the 203K. The only drawback is that you cannot refinance this type of loan. However, you can use the loan to cover roofing costs. After you have applied for a mortgage under 203K, K, you will be able to start the search for a roofing contractor and get repair estimates. These estimates can be obtained from multiple contractors. Once you find one, you must make sure that they have the knowledge and experience needed to complete the work. It is also important to meet any deadlines set by lenders. The 203(k) loan requires the work to begin within 30 days after closing, so you must find a contractor that is familiar with FHA regulations. Roofing company financing. Whether you have equity in your home or are having trouble qualifying for a personal loan, financing your new roof can be an affordable option. It can finance a roofing company loan for a term between 10 and 15 years, as opposed to the average 3 to the 5-year period required by personal loans. It allows you to manage your monthly expenses and still be within your financial means. Typically, you can expect to pay between $100 to $200 per month. Roofing company financing offers the flexibility and convenience of financing your new roof with no down payment. A secured loan can be obtained if your credit rating is excellent. HELOCs are secured loans that use your house as collateral. If you fail to repay the loan, the lender will not lose their house. The interest rate on these loans is also lower than traditional loans. However, these loans are more difficult to obtain, especially if you are new to the area. And, since they require an appraisal of your home, they may take longer to complete. Important links: insurance claims, restoration services, home remodeling, roofing, solar installation, water and storm damage.